start off our craft, we're going to grab our template, our Baby Yoda template, and we are going to be tracing that. So go ahead and grab your scissors first and cut that. Once you cut out all the elements, you can go ahead and trace the elements. The first thing we're going to be tracing are the ears on the pink paper, and then after you trace them, you're going to want to cut them. Next, we're going to be tracing on the brown paper, and that's going to be the cloak or the clothing that Baby Yoda wears. Once you trace it, go ahead and cut that as well. The last element we're going to be tracing is Baby Yoda's body, and that's going to be the biggest piece that we cut out, and we're going to trace that on the green paper. Once you trace that, you're going to go ahead and cut it. Once you have all your elements, you are going to go ahead and glue the clothing onto the body, the ears, and the eyes. And we're going to be using a pencil to draw in the expression on the face. Next, we're going to be using a brown marker to add texture to the clothing that Baby Yoda is wearing. The last step is adding glue to your popsicle stick to glue your puppet or bookmark onto.